Okay, so we've sanded off all our pencil marks that we want to get off. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to prepare for gluing and assembling. So we've got some 25mm bullet head nails, and we're going to place 2 nails at each joint. We're going to just do what I call is a Webby's pencil gauge here. So we could use a marking gauge, but we're going to use my finger and the pencil tip instead of the marking gauge stock and the pin. So I'm just going to sight it by eye because it's not critical, and I'm trying to get my pencil mark about in the middle of that joint, of that thickness. So I've just got a line like that. I'm going to do the same at this end. So I should hold my finger at that, and I'm going to do it there, and I'm going to do it there. The next thing I need to do is I need a line that's in the centre where the nails will go for my trench. So I'm just going to line up, just again by sight, a small dot there, and I'm going to use it's a bit far away from a pencil gauge, so I'm just going to use my tri-square to give me a little line, and I'm going to do the same for the one here. Okay, so now I've got a line for where all my nails will go. So they should be going into the centre of the thickness. That will give me success to make sure that the nail has the best chance of not coming out the side. We don't want to see the ends of the nails coming out the sides. You're not going to get an A if we see ends of nails poking out. Okay, the next thing we need to do, and again, this is an aesthetic thing, we need to make sure that the nails are looking all nice and neat and in line with each other. So again, you might want to measure, or I'll just use a pencil gauge. I'm going to have a nail there, and that's in line. I'm going to keep that distance on my finger. You can make this number up. You can use a marking gauge. You can use a ruler. But whatever you do, we need to see the nail heads all in line with each other. I'm going to keep hold of my pencil mark, and I'm going to then transfer it to this one. So I've marked all of where my nails go. If you just put nails in wherever and we can tell that you've just guessed and made it up and they don't look like they're in line and there's a neat pattern, you're going to struggle to get an A. Okay, once you've done that, we're going to get our nails, and we've got a Warrington hammer. This is a claw hammer. And we're going to pre-nail the joint. And what you'll see, I'm just going to hammer until it just pokes through and we can feel it there. And what you'll see, if you can look at it from this angle, is a technique called dovetail nailing, where you'll see that I've gone in on a slight angle, and what that does is create a nice angle there where it pulls onto the timber and it stops it from being able to be, the joint to be able to be pulled open as easily. So we're going to do this side as well. Something wrong with that nail. Okay. And then we'll see you for the next video.